What's up guys, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video, we will look at how to export, import and apply LUTs. Now already we have discussed previously in the color grading section that what LUTs are. So I'm not going to bore you guys by repeating everything all again, but just to kind of refresh your memories, LUTs are lookup tables that are basically pre-configured files that can be imported into your projects to help you give your videos a certain look. Now there are lots and lots of LUTs available, both free and paid, and guys, LUTs can be really handy and can save you a lot of time. So let's first see how we can import a LUT into Premiere and apply it on our footage. So I have this footage on my sequence taken from a drone and it's really flat, so we can make it nice and appealing by grading it. But let's say I don't have time to go through all the curves and everything and all the correction, but what I have in my library is a bunch of LUTs that I can use. So I'm gonna go in my Lumetri color panel, and under the creative tab I have this option of look. Now Premiere has some built-in LUTs too that you can use, and it's very easy to use these. All you have to do is select your clip, and then from the drop down menu just choose the most suitable one for your clip. Now if I don't want to use one of these and I have my own LUT in my local drive, then all I have to do is click on browse and then locate the LUT on my drive. Now choose the file and click on import, and now you can see that this LUT has been applied on my clip straight away. Now it does look too much green, so we can bring it down by using the slider over here. Now guys, you can go on and make other adjustments as well by going into your basic correction or your curves or your HSL secondary, but I think it looks fine for now. So let's just look at the before and after. You can see the difference yourself. So guys, you can see that within just a few minutes the clip now looks much better. Okay, so now that I'm happy with this particular look, and in order to save me time in the future, I can export this look, and that will allow me to use it on similar clips in the future, or even I can make some money as well by just putting this on my website or on any other platform. So to export it, all I need to do is come here in the Lumetri color panel and then click on this burger menu icon and then click on export.cube. Now choose a name for this LUT, and that's pretty much it. Now it's there sitting on my local disk, ready to be used in the future. So guys, that's how you can import, export and apply LUTs on your clips. I hope you found it easy and simple, and I hope you find it useful. That's really it from me now. I will now see you in the next video. So till then, you take care of yourself.